Dear friends, have a nice day. In 4th and 5th THB, page number 32, an activity for pronouncing the sounds has been given. It is named as Kiki Parrots. Yes, before introducing the activity Kiki Parrots, you have to make the children get practice in the sounds of letters. Okay, yeah? For the letter A, there are 4 different sounds, of course. You need not introduce all the other sounds. It can be represented with the sound A. That is the letter A, but the sound is A. For the letter B, the sound is Ba. For the letter C, the sound is Ka. For the letter D, the sound is Da. For the letter E, the sound is Ya. For the letter F, the sound is Fa. For the letter G, the sound is Ga. For the letter H, the sound is Ha. It has been given in your THB. For the letter I, the sound is I. For the letter J, the sound is Ja. Yes, like that you have to introduce the sounds. After that you can give one example for each sound. Okay, give practice by giving examples. Then only you can introduce the activity Kiki Parrots. Let us practice A, alphabet A. The sound is A, as in apple. Letter B, sound is B, as in ball. Letter C, the sound is K, as in cat. Letter D, the sound is D, as in dog. Letter E, the sound is Y, as in elephant. Letter F, the sound is F, as in fan. Letter G, the sound is G, as in goat. Letter H, the sound is H, as in hen. Letter I, the sound is E, as in pot.
We are parrots, we tell the letters. We are kikis, we tell the sounds. A, the sound is A. B, the sound is B. C, the sound is K. D, the sound is T. E, the sound is J. F, the sound is F. G, the sound is G. H, the sound is H.
I,
the sound is E.
J,
the sound is